to get me something to drink on. God, I'm very. What else do I want? Yeah. So, are you really going to take my juice? Wait a minute, hold up. Am I tripping? Hold up. Am I tripping right now? Like, is my refrigerator talking right now? Like, is my refrigerator talking right now? Like, does it want beef with me? Man, I don't know. Is it talking right now? I don't know. What did you just say? You know what I said. Now put the juice back and nobody don't get hurt. Do you understand me? Bo, all I did was... Nope, I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Put the juice back in the refrigerator and put the popsicles back. And I'm not playing with you. Put it back. Bo, you don't have to do that. Oh, yo, listen, I don't care. You're the one that's putting all the food out and everything. And I don't care. Put the popsicles back, Bo. I got me some popsicles and everything. All I did was... Oh, dude, put it back. No, put it back. I don't care, okay? Put it back. I'm not... Listen, I'm not going to sit here and argue with you. Put it back, okay? Put the juice back and put the popsicles back, okay? Nobody ain't going to get hurt. All I wanted was some popsicles and some juice. Bottle on it. But you just came up to me and just... Yeah, don't come at No. Don't come at me like that. Like you got a problem or something. Don't come at me like that. You're not bipolar, so don't come at me like that. Fine. Yeah. Just put everything back and nobody don't get hurt, period. Put it back. Just put everything back and nobody don't get hurt. The popsicles, put that back. Put the popsicles back too. Put 2 of them back. Okay, there you go. Thank you. This has got to be a nightmare. So this has got to be a dream because there's no possible way this refrigerator could be talking. Feel me? So yeah. What you doing? Put it back. Put the juice back. Put it back. Listen, dude, I've always told you to put it back. That's no excuse. Put the juice back. I don't care. That sounds like a personal problem. Okay, so put the juice back and nobody don't get hurt. I'm about to give me some juice. That's all right. I'm about to give me some juice. And you still want to drink it? Put the juice back before. Put it back before I lose my mind. Yo, Bo, I'm not going to ask you again. Put the juice back. Can't have nothing. Put it back. I don't care. Now put it back. I can't have this. Bro, Willie, put it back. I've been arguing with you for hours. And I don't care. I've been arguing with you for hours. I don't care. Put it back. You're not going to eat anything. Put it back. No, put it back. You're not going to eat anything, okay? Put it back and nobody will get hurt. You know what? Simple. I don't know why you tripping. What are you doing now? What are you doing now? I'm going to give me some watermelons.
No, you're not getting no dang watermelons. What's wrong with you?
I'm going to give
Put the watermelons back.
Okay, so
no, put the watermelons back, bro. Put it back. Put the watermelons back.
I ain't trying to have no.
I don't care. Put it back. Dang. You just keep on taking stuff from me.
Bro, we really need to chill.
Bro, shut up.
I'm trying to have no beef with you first. Second of all, this is impossible. How a refrigerator is talking?
Listen, don't even worry about that.
1 hour later.
What you doing? What you doing? Bro, I'm about to get me something to drink, bro, because you got me.
Wow, so you really want to take my drink? Okay, I'll kill your family then.
Say what now?